Ever wondered why some makeup shades look amazing on others but terrible on you? The secret lies in understanding your skin tone and undertone. Skin tone refers to the surface color of your skin, light, medium, or deep, determined by melanin levels. Undertone is the subtle hue beneath your skin surface, cool with pink and blue tones, warm with yellow and golden tones, or neutral. Unlike skin tone, which can change with sun exposure, your undertone remains constant and determines which colors flatter you most. Test 1. Look at your wrist veins in natural light. Blue or purple veins indicate cool undertones. Green veins suggest warm undertones. Test 2. Compare silver and gold jewelry against your skin. Cool undertones are enhanced by silver, warm undertones by gold. Test 3. Hold pure white fabric near your face. If you look pink or rosy, you have cool undertones. If you appear golden, you have warm undertones. Once you know your undertone, choose foundations labeled with C for cool, W for warm, or N for neutral undertones. For clothing, cool undertones shine in jewel tones like sapphire and emerald, while warm undertones glow in golden yellows and coral. Even hair colors work better with your undertone. Cool undertones suit ash blonde and burgundy. Warm undertones favor golden blonde and copper. If you are still unsure, visit a beauty counter for professional shade matching or use online tools for guidance. Understanding your skin tone and undertone is the key to makeup that blends seamlessly and clothing that makes you glow. Remember, beauty is about finding what works best for you. Master these simple tests and never deal with mismatched foundation again.